Good morning, children. Let's continue with our maths class, chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. And the topic for today is skip counting by 5. The learning objective of today's class is students should be able to skip counting by 5. And learning outcome at the end of the class will be students should be able to solve and find numbers by skip counting by 5. Let's continue with the topic of today, skip counting by 5. Here, as you see in the picture, there are some cup and there are 5 balls inside each cup. So you are well familiar with what we are going to do. We are going to count in 5s. Like in the first cup you will see there is 5, in the second one also there is 5, so that adds up to 10. First is 5, then 10, then add another 5, 20, then add another 5, 25, 30, 35. Like this, when we are counting in 5s. Similar way, when you're counting your fingers, each finger is equal to, you count it as 1. So one hand you will count as 5, the other one 10. So similar way, we are skipping and counting in 5s. Skip counting actually helps to count faster. Instead of counting a single number at a time, we are counting in 5s. Let's understand this topic much better with the help of this video.
Here, in order to skip count by 5s, we skip 4 numbers and jump to the 5th number. Look at the bird on number 0. To skip count by 5s, it will skip 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and hop to number 5. Accordingly, it will hop to numbers 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
So, same way we can skip count backward by 5. Like for example, if we start with 55, then 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. That means every time we are subtracting 5 and going backward. We are counting backward. So, skip counting by 5 has a nice pattern. Here on the screen you will see if we start from 5, every time when you are skipping, you are starting from 1, you go to 5. Then next will be 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, like this. The yellow column which you see are the numbers which you are getting when you are skip counting by 5. So you will see a pattern formed. The numbers which you are getting here always have either 5 or 0 in the ones place. Okay, here let's see some of the examples given. Okay, so children, you can write date, write the topic, write learning objective and outcome, and you can do these 5 questions in your notebook. Question number 1, 115, then 20. There is an increase of 5. After 120, what will come here? If you add 5, you get 125. Again, another 5, skip 5, you get 130. Skip 5 by 5, you get 135. Then you get 140. Question number 2, 243. Then it goes to 248. Again, it is added 5 numbers. 5 numbers are added to 243, you get 248. Then again plus 5, 253. Then plus 5, 258, plus 5, 263, plus 5, 268. Children, if you noticed, even notice the ones place there is a pattern formed, isn't it? 3 8 3 8, and every time whenever you are skip counting by 5, there will be a pattern formed. Let's see the third question. 760, 755. Here you will see there the number has reduced to 760 to 755. That means you are skip counting backward. That is, 5 is subtracted from each number. So 260 has reduced to 760 has reduced to 755. Then it will become 750. Then it will become 745. Then 740. And then it will get reduced to 735, which is given. Question number 4. 557, 552. Again, if you notice here, there is reduction of number. That means you are skip counting backward by 5. So 557, 552. Then if you subtract another 5, you will get 547. Then another 5, 542. Sorry, I made a mistake here. 542, then 537, then 532. Again, if you see the ones place, there is a pattern formed. 72, 72, 72. Okay, let's see the last question, number 5. First is blank, then it is given 349, then again there is blank, 364. Now you see there is an increase. Okay, so this pattern is skip counting in a forward way. So let's see what will come before 349 if you count 5 backward. 349, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44. So here it will come 344. Okay, then 349, after 349 plus 5 will be 354, plus 5 will be 359, then plus 5 is 364, then plus 5 is 369. Again we are skip counting by 5 here. So just see the pattern again formed in number 5, question number 5. The ones place 49, 49, 49. So whenever we are skip counting by 5, either forward or in backward way, there is always a pattern formed. Okay, this is a worksheet which you will get here. See in the first question, this is an activity worksheet. Here there is a bunny at 250, number 250. It is feeling very hungry and it has to reach to this carrot to eat it at number 410. So you are going to skip count by 5 and help the rabbit to reach to the carrot. You all know how to play a maze very well. The only thing is you are going to skip count and find the number from 250 where it will go. When you skip count by 5, 250 you will skip count 5 and it will become 255. So after 250 it will go to 255. Then you find the next number, that is 260, and go to, and like this you find a way for the bunny to reach the carrot. And when you are finding the way, you are going to color the squares and make the way colorful. So I hope you will be able to do this one. Okay, but just by skip counting and finding the way and help the bunny to reach the carrot. Next question in your activity worksheet is, you have to the second one, you have to skip count by 3 and join the number using curved lines. Okay, so you are going to start with 132. This is the place you are going to start this number. So you are going to skip count by 3. 132. When you skip count by 2, the next number will be 135. So find here which one, where is 135? Here is 135, isn't it? So we are going to join these two numbers by a curve. Next, when you skip count after 135, it will be skip count by 3, it will be 138. So from here you are going to reach to 138 is here. So like this you form a pattern and join it with the help of curves, and you are going to reach it something like this. Then you can even change here the color, and after 147 skip count by 3, you will get 150 like this. Complete the pattern by skip counting by 3 and form a nice pattern. Okay. In B, you have to skip count by 2 and you have to join with a straight line. So when you start with 500, skip count by 2 means after 500 you will get 502. So in this column, where is 502? Here is 502. So join this with a straight line. Okay. Then after 502 you have 504. So join with a straight line like this. Okay, so next you can start with 341, skip count by 2. After 341 you will get 343. So where is 343? Here. So you join it like this. After 343, skip count by 2, 345, join it like this. Form a pattern, complete it till here. Form a pattern. That finishes your activity worksheet. So thank you children.